Goko ne kwa Kikuyu podcast. David Munyua, congratulations. Oyo ni mwanake umete kuria mwena wa Nyandarua na niokete na kamakia andu aingi muno guku nenda-ini ni thutha wake gucinda muthako wa ndati retwo PPW Paddy Power World Darts Championship kuria mwena wa London, UK, na hitano giki acindire mundu ukoretwo ranked number 18 thiini wa thi ng'ima. The big question is, niki thirikari thaici iretwa nira congratulate David Munyua, yet higwa endaga uteithio wao, higwa aramabataraga matiamuteithirie? Niki urenderoria the same thing they did to Triumphant, na thutha mutheri magioka makionania ati uria manyita Triumphant baru na maramunyita guoko, na Triumphant ari athi Brazil niko ari a break world record ya kunyita muti mathaa 72, but they failed her, na anyita muti ucio mathaa 72 akima mukungwira muno toni yetu ona thingira etu ngina thingira wa iregi ntongiona akihanda muti na kinara na munini wa kinara. Yet this government failed Triumphant. This government has failed our own David Munyua kuma Nyandarua. Mwanake uyu kumana athiete guko London niaritie negeretie kuigira ofisi ciothe cia thirikari, ageria kuigira ofisi ciothe cia thirikari at least ni undu wa kuona fare kana one ya ticket toroguo tu ma at least one hoteli kuria mwena wa UK kuri guothe ageria guthi kugotha mirango yothe ni ahingirwo. In fact, t-shirt ino mukuona David Munyua ekirite, kambuni ciandikitwo thiini wa t-shirt ino ti kambuni cia bũrũri wa Kenya. It said kambuni ici ni cia South Africa. Just imagine, ona gutire brand ya Kenya ira supportire David Munyua. Kwa hiyo guothe ageria kugotha mirango matietikirie kuhingura. But now David Munyua thutha wa kuota kitano giki ni mukuona riu ona giethwo ni brands iria ciaregire kumuteithia regime na thirikari ino kuri agerie kugotha mirango ni mukuona acoka bũrũri-inĩ wa Kenya. You see, hii mukamuna na kinara. Yet this government failed him agerie kuri London ethire means ciake ukimenya kuri guthi gukoma, but now tolia hotana riu niguo maramwita igetha riu macai nake getha Kenya mone ati thirikari ino ni iranyita andu aya moko na ni rama support. Uguo niguo tukuagirwo meciria, by the way. Kende nyambe ndi muthomere kanyamu keha, by the way, maigwe kasabu gapostitwo ni Kenya Continuous. Kwena ciuria cirorio, serious questions. Serious questions are now being raised over the treatment of the world darts champion David Munyua by the Kenyan government. Multiple sources indicate that Munyu faced frustration at the ministry after allegedly being dismissed by senior officials, including CS Rebecca Miano, who oversees Brand Kenya and PS Erija. Keriakauga. According to the sources, Munyu was informed that the government does not sponsor what were described as pub sports. Ati wikienda ti ma describe ati ta mithako ya kirafu kana pub sports no mithako ya kirafu, by the way. Wamauga ati thirikari ugie disappointaga maundu ta macio kana pub sports, effectively shutting the door on any state support. As a result, the champion is said to have left Kenya without government backing, relying instead on friends who mobilized funds and secured his air tickets. Niarata mekira maundu maya mothe. Last paragraph. Further scrutiny reveals that the sponsor displayed in Munyua's jersey originates from South Africa. Maigua sponsor ene South Africa, raising concerns about Kenya's commitment to nurturing and branding its own world-class talent. The incident has sparked debate on policy gaps, selective sports sponsorship, and the government's role in supporting emerging and non-traditional sports disciplines. Maigua thirikari ino tondu angiko CS ni atanire off Erija agiko CS ni atanile of mundu gwetwo David Munyua, agiko CS matanile of mundu gwetwo David Munyua, then this government failed David Munyua. But it never stopped Munyua guthie kuria kurugwitwo UK London narahotana. Yani they never have faith in him, but athirekatia. Now governor wa Nyandarua Kĩrĩ badilisha narrative, by the way, Dr. Kĩrĩ badilisha narrative na arauga atiriri kamwira Munyua thiete kuria ni maranĩirie nake na ni amukoreta ofici-inĩ yake. Reke tuigue nake governor wa Nyandarua Kĩrĩ badilisha uria augite. Congratulations David Munyua on your World Darts Championship win in London, UK. I was said David, I was sent from Githioro Ward, Abadia village, and gave him my blessings and support on 21st November before he departed for the World Championship. I'm proud of his remarkable exploit on the global dart stage in Nyandarua and Kenya at large. Oyo ni governor wa Kuria Nyandarua gwetwo Kĩrĩ badilisha na wite tiriri ni mari na mundu ugwetwo David Munyua kamwira athiete kuria London na kimwe irathimo ciake kana blessings ciake. So I think governor wa Nyandarua hena kaundu ekire mundu gwetwo hihi ni amuteithĩrĩirie in one way or another, na niho governor Kĩrĩ badilisha augite ati David Munyua aumite Githioro Ward kuria mwena wa Abadia mwena wa Nyandarua. Abadia mwena wa Nyandarua. In fact wekara unaona Abadia kuria Abadia Regis, wekara unaona kuria Abadia Regis, by the way. We kapteni captain we captain kana kapteni wao na kuria nuonaga Abadia gucia koguo ile manisho cia Abadia andu captain andu kapteni andu ako captain kuria Nyandarua kuria Nyandarua guciria ni muonaga kuria andu akara koguo guciria ni muona kuria Nyandarua guciria ni koguo awadi ina koguo guciria na koguo, by the way koguo tuonaga. But anyway, this government failed Munyua terribly. No thaici, you know what is our son, you know what this guy we in fact but now nikimaida gushine na ado higwa ado mahota gushidana before matira supported waya. The same thing we saw with the Triumphant. They never supported her. Tunaenda kushika miti sasa kushika miti ubreak world record hiyo ndio nini? Wewe msichana, wewe unasema unataka kwenda kushika miti, unataka kushika miti, hiyo ndio nini? Ati break world record? Wewe toka hapa, toka David Munyua, ati unataka kwenda kucheza data, hizo ndizo nini? Michezo ya klabu unakuja kutuambia tukusupport. Wewe uko sawa? Are you okay? Then modo shida. Oh guys, you know what? He is our son, he is our daughter. We are proud of him, we are proud of her. You know, we have supported her. Now come atu atubeba Simba longwe nini? The moment modo achivudo lumba kamwita either Kenya moni aterere ati adwa ma support, but at first he go modosho eda oteyo. They never supported him or her. Watu wana manongwe sana sisi. But anyway guys, this is all it is. Kwani iko nini? Guko ni kwa podcast. Anyway, moni manyu maliko. Inywe mnaona atia? Thank you gamatine amadwe. Guys, it is what it is. Kwani iko nini? Thank you, God bless you.